Hello and welcome to this India Today special 83. The film that we've been waiting for is finally here. A film that will bring back memories of one of the most famous days in Indian cricket. A day when we really changed as a cricketing nation. That's right, June 25th, 1983, recreated by Kapil Dev and Devils and Ranveer Singh, Kabir Khan and his Devils. Give them all a very big hand. You can give each of you. Okay, since we have most of the cricketers of that 83 team with us and the stars playing the role, we're going to start by asking each of you to play what your favorite mannerism of the cricketer that you're acting as. And Ranveer, you start because Kapil Dev da jawab nahi. So you've got to tell us what is that Kapil Dev moment which is your favorite.
I think with the kind of unprecedented and exhilarating response that we've had to the trailer, there is one dialogue which comes somewhere in the middle of the trailer that's stuck. It's being used as how do you say, pop culture lingo now. It's I was speaking to some of our talent managers and they said, oh, we went for an offside and we were starting the meeting and you were like, come on, let's start the meeting. Yeah, let's start. What are we here for? It's already at a trailer level. It is gone into, it's stuck on so much that people are using it in different contexts now. So I would have
एक
to
बार
say,
फिर बोल दे.
हाँ, मतलब तो we'll enact the scene. Why don't Kapil sir only say it
Sir,
himself?
Kapil sir, you said. How do you say?
I can.
No, come on.
Rajdeep sir, you know I can do just about any accent. So I can also do an English accent. I can play David Frith.
Okay.
And Kapil sir can play Kapil sir.
Okay, go for it.
I
अच्छा
have.
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का
press
सीन चल
conference.
रहा है.
हाँ.
Nobody believes in this team. Nobody's even come for this press conference. गिन चुन के 2-3 आदमी हैं, but one man and his conviction firing right back at Mr. Frith. Sir, if you'll call the shot, please.
What do you think are your team's chances in the Cup?
We're here to win.
To win the World Cup?
What else we are here for?
Kapil Dev का जवाब नहीं.
Perfect. Absolutely.
Before I go everywhere, what is the most difficult thing to do a Kapil Dev? What's the most difficult thing? Was it the Natraj hook shot? Is it the bowling action? वो तो दिखा.
It was the bowling action, and Ballu sir will vouch for this. 4 hours a day for, I don't even know, 4 months of prep and then 3 months of shooting. For like 7 months I was bowling 4 hours a day.
तो दिखा.
Yeah.
Final action तो दिखा ले.
यार प्रेशर में डाल दे तो आप. Okay, so for n number of weeks I was not able to make any headway. Of course, sir's biomechanics are unique to him. He has these long levers. Only he can bowl the way he can bowl. And I was given a heads up by you name it, Sachin Tendulkar, Hardik Pandya, whoever I've met is telling me, yo man, how are you going to do the action? How are you going to do the action? We were at Lord's and it was rained out and we happened to meet Sachin sir, Kabir sir and myself. And he's like, yeah, you're doing the 83 film. Yeah, wonderful. Oh, you're playing Kapil Dev. It's going to be too good. You're going to bowl like him. Yeah, sir, I'm going to bowl like him. Oh. Acha. So I was being given a heads up from everybody that this is not going to be easy, and it wasn't for many months.
Especially since you're born in 85 and
Yeah.
this is film about 83.
बल्लू सर kept telling me, तू जब आता है ना रन अप में ऐसे लगता है पहलवान आता है बॉलिंग करने. तो पहले तो तू ये वेट घटा है, just come off Simba, had a lot of muscle mass, and then the training began, element by element. How he starts with a slight bend. अच्छा पकड़ी.
Pakdi.
Starts with a slight bend. First he'll do that little shoulder thing of his. You make these faces, make faces at everybody. Bite his mustache, and then you start one step, and now this was the part where I actually got stuck. And Ballu sir kept saying, tickle the nipple, tickle the nipple, tickle the nipple. So after weeks and months of tickling my nipple, I was finally able to do that beautiful action and it's now there for people to judge on screen whether I was able to crack it or
कर
not.
ले, last shot कर ले, that final action. Go for it. अरे lovely.
ये वाला
Boots and jeans not gonna be possible.
तू बड़ा खुश हो रहा है मेरे एक्ट्स देख के, टेक्निक दिखा.
Kapil Paji, tickle the nipple. Yes, that was your secret.
I think it should be censored.
No, nothing is censored. Look,
It was something
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
You see the little dance action over there?
Yeah.
And then the and income.
Oi. Not bad at all. Okay, I'm going to go right round because, you know, different people have played different roles. Kabir, I'm going to come to you last to explain how you put it all together. But Saqib, you played the role of Mohinder Amarnath, man of the match, semi-finals and final. Give the man a big hand, legend of the game. Jimmy Paji's thing that I've always remembered, his walk is unique. वो walk करके दिखा कैसे कर रहा है?
Sir, more than the walk, it's
Huh.
the run-up. It
Huh.
took me 6 months to
You took
more than
this-
the like I just couldn't get the shoulders to move in the right direction. And I remember I'd gone to we had started shooting in London and I'd gone to watch that time India was playing West Indies in the World Cup in 2019 and I'm sitting in the stand watching the match and suddenly an elderly man must have been 60-65. He didn't even know my name, whatever. He looked out to me. He's like, "Beta, baat suno." I'm like, "जी sir." He's like, "तुम वो 83 वाली फिल्म कर रहे हो? तुम जिमी बने हो उसमें?"
हाँ.
I got scared. I'm like, "Yeah, sir." He's like, "I hope you've gotten the shoulders right." And I'm like, "Damn." Of all the things to say, you said that. And then I went back to Ballu sir. I'm like, "Sir, shoulders नहीं हिल रहे. ये जिम में shoulder मार के बहुत भारी हो गए." Again, he told me lose the weight, all of that. So I'll show you
show us, yeah.
my rendition, sir. Please, मैं पहली पाँव छू देता हूँ. पहली माफी है.
माइक दे दे. गेंद ले ले.
a red handkerchief while he's bowling right side.
That's right, always.
Before he would turn, it's like you take it and it'll be a double step when he starts running. And it's
Oh, well done. Oh, wow. Mr. Jimmy Paji, have you seen the film? Are you satisfied with the way he's played the role?
sir,
ठीक है ना? Run up ठीक था.
नहीं रनअप तो बहुत अच्छा था जी बिल्कुल.
पर ये सीक्रेट
Brilliant.
क्या
Yeah.
था रन अप का जब आप उस तरह से चलते थे?
नहीं मैं ऐसे तो नहीं चलता था जैसे
I'm a bad actor.
नहीं I think it was very natural and see every cricketer has a different run-up and so I know it's very difficult to copy somebody but I think he's done it wonderfully.
Well done, well done.
Really.
Great.
And-
Okay, let's turn to our next. Tahir, you're playing the one and only Sunil Gavaskar.
Oh man.
You're already sweating.
Pressure.
Why don't you take
सामने आ
the mic and tell us what was the most difficult thing of being Mr. Gavaskar?
Sir, you have to ask me what was the easy thing about being Mr. Gavaskar because nothing was easy. When you sign a film like that, you start getting calls from every generation in your family and friends saying you're playing Mr. Gavaskar. And again, like Saqib got the call for the shoulders, I got a call to say, have you got the swag right? Have you got the walk right?
Ah, the walk, the
And
Gavaskar walk.
I have watched all the YouTube videos of his available, watched it in slow motion because as an actor, what you want to try and do is like, what animal is this person like? And I have found after 6 months of watching it that he walks like a tiger.
Okay.
On screen. Yeah. And when I met him, I've asked him, sir, what was this intentional? Sir, I don't know if you remember that night when we had dinner. And he said, you know, when you're opening for India and you're walking out onto the pitch and you've got like the West Indies team there's a confidence that has to go out with that walk. And that is the intention behind the tiger walk. And I thought that was so phenomenal to have that thought behind you. So can we do it together? Because
Yeah,
there's
why
no
don't we
way
do it? Come on.
there is,
Yeah, come
yes,
on, Mr.
just, we're
Gavaskar.
just walking onto the pitch.
Are lovely. The original.
Convene with us, please.
In walks the greatest batsman. It's Sunil Gavaskar.
Well done.
Oh, well done. Woo! That's the ball, right?
You know, Mr. Gavaskar, it's one thing to imitate the Gavaskar walk, it's another thing to imitate the Gavaskar defensive shot and batting. So that I can't see happening, but Are you happy enough that you've got Tahir's done a reasonable job?
He's done, I think, a fantastic job. From what little I've seen, I had been to England when they were shooting. I saw one day shooting, and after the shot was taken, everybody was, taking it easy, and I was around there, and we were just having a chat, and Tahir was standing next to me, and I'm, chatting, and suddenly I see somebody who's looking very familiar standing next to me. So he was standing exactly like I did. Then I realized he's playing me. And so he got the mannerisms right, not just the walk. He's got the mannerisms right. So I'm just looking forward to seeing how he plays an attacking shot. And by the way, I don't play only defensive shots, okay? I play attacking shots also.
I say, no, 1 minute. No one could play the defensive shot like you.
Yeah, but right.
That's
I think
fair enough.
Fair enough, yeah.
I mean, no one had a technique quite like you.
Yeah, it's dark enough as well,
Okay, fair enough. But that's wonderful to know that Sunil Gavaskar is there captured on celluloid. Krishnamachari Shrikant.
Ennamachari
They can only be
Krishnamachari Srikant. That's how we called him.
Ennamachari?
Krishnamachari Srikant.
Ennamachari Krishnamachari Srikant. He has his walk.
Yeah.
I'm going to ask, in all the trailers that we've seen, the accent that Jiva has put for you is just about perfect. Now you tell me.
I think he was outstanding. I mean, as you said, I've just seen the trailer yet. I mean, so far. And I showed it to my mother, who's about 80 years old. And she said, hey, yara de, one mariya irkaan, one mariya pesran. She said, who's this? I said, he talks like you, looks like you. So my mother was 80. I mean, who doesn't understand ABCD of cricket. So I think obviously he's done a brilliant job, Jiva.
Jiva, you want to tell us what was your favorite Krishnamachari Srikant dialogue? I saw the one.
Yes, because when I met Sir for the first time, and I wanted to capture a lot of moments of his, and I had I went to his home and I told him to, sir, can you please tell this dialogue. So he gave me a lot of inputs. It's like twitching off. It's nothing but machan. I'll tell you nothing but the sun hits me, so I do the twitching, and he says that, and I like that famous his famous dialogue of saying, "Kya pagal hai yaar hamara captain? Kya pagal hai?"
Hamara captain pagal hi hai. Because he's pagal, he's brilliant. So only pagals can be brilliant. You understand?
So you're not the only pagal, is it?
All pagals are brilliant. Ranveer is pagal, brilliant.
So it was an amazing experience, and I had to get his shots, and I mean it was more of we've been playing a lot of street cricket, but Sandhu sir helped us so much.
I must tell viewers, Balwinder Singh Sandhu has been the coach for the entire team. If you want to know how to play, you do it the Sandhu way. But it takes a lot to coach someone to get Gordon Greenwich bowled doing well left. That's not going to happen. So young man, Amy Virk, at the end of the day, सबसे बड़ी difficult task क्या थी बल्लू जी की? What was the most difficult thing for you?
मेरे लिए इजी था सर सब कुछ, बिकॉज सर पहले दिन से मतलब आखिर तक एसोसिएट थे फिल्म के साथ, तो मेरे लिए सब कुछ मतलब इजी रहा था, क्योंकि मैं पूछ लेता था, बिकॉज इतने बड़े लेजेंड्स हैं हमारी मतलब टीम में जिनके आप मतलब रोल पोर्ट्रे कर रहे हो, तो मतलब आप कैरेक्टर के साथ कोई छेड़छाड़ नहीं कर सकते, तो मतलब सबके लिए रिस्क रहता था. मेरे लिए इजी थे, मैं कुछ भी करता था, सर थम्स अप सर, ओके है, उठा के रख चक दे, मैं कहा ठीक है सर, ओके है जी.
आज तक बल्लू सर ने आपको बताया कि वो आउटस्विंग था या इनस्विंग था गॉर्डन ग्रीनिच को?
ये आज तक पता चला? आप बताएंगे सर, खुद बताएंगे.
सर आउटस्विंग था इनस्विंग था, क्या बताया?
तुम्हें क्या लगता है? अगर इनस्विंग गया हुआ तो इनस्विंग ही था, आउटस्विंग गया होता तो आउटस्विंग ही था. व्हाट डू यू फील? हो तो दिखाई दे रहा है ना, अब इसमें क्या बताना है उसमें?
Has Amy done a good job or not?
अभी तक मुझे एक भी बॉलर ऐसा नहीं मिला जो आउटस्विंग डालता है और उसका बॉल गिर के अंदर चले जाए.
पर ये कहा जाता है कि बल्लू But you're happy with the role that with the way he played the role?
No, first time when I met him in Patiala, he was shooting for Nika Jaldar, and I saw him as an actor. जब मुझे पता चला कि ये ना मेरा रोल कर रहा, तो मुझे नहीं पता था एमी विर्क कौन है क्या है. मैं घर गया तो मेरी डॉटर को बताया, एमी विर्क कर रहा है, अरे वो इतना अच्छा एक्टर, ये है ना, गाने इतने अच्छा गाता है पंजाबी. मतलब मैंने तो कोई सुना नहीं, फिर उन्होंने सुनाया मुझे. Then when I met him, Then and I saw him shoot. मुझे लगा ये बहुत ही नेचुरल एक्टर है, स्पॉन्टेनियसली एक्टर है वो, स्पॉन्टेनिटी है उसकी है।
आपके जोक सब आपने उनको बताया कि नहीं?
नहीं, इन्होंने सुने भी होंगे, पता भी होंगे, लेकिन जब भी मैं कुछ ज्यादा कुछ बोलने जाता था, सर टेंशन ना लो, मैं हैगा ना, नो टेंशन ना लो।
Well done. Now your daughter's got to remember Balvinder Sandhu.
मुझे टेंशन नहीं था, ये कर रहा मेरा रोल, तो मुझे कुछ टेंशन नहीं थी।
Well done.
मुझे बाकियों की टेंशन थी।
Yes, of course. Yes. Go ahead.
I think the opportunity is here, and I must speak on behalf of my director and our entire team, and I must take this opportunity to speak on behalf of all my players. I think Ballu sir's contribution has been immense. We worked damn hard, but he worked the hardest.
Whoa.
The film would not be possible without Ballu sir.
So is that what you're saying?
Every day of
जो बोले से उनको निहार।
Sat Sri Akal. So every day of practice, every day of shoot, every ball, every shot, he was guiding us, he was there for us, he was our touchstone, he was the wind beneath our wings, he propelled us to excel, and he's the special sauce in the film.
It's terrific. You know, I think one of the unique things is that this is perhaps the first of its kind film where India's cricketers have been celebrated in this manner. That's what makes 83 so special. Special people also, like Syed Kirmani, as usual dressed for the occasion. You know, I must ask you, Sahil Khattar, you're playing Syed Kirmani. Just take the mic and tell us what it means to play Syed Kirmani. You look a bit like Mr. Kirmani. A little bit.
You know, so there were two rumors that got mixed up. One is that a legend's son is played by, one rumor was that, you know, Chirag Patil is playing Sandeep Patil, and it got mixed with my face and his face. Yeah. And everybody started saying, "Arey, Kirmani sir ka beta Kirmani play kar raha hai?" So,
the hairstyle.
Yeah, it's only the hairstyle. No pressure at all. The most athletic, the most agile keeper India has ever seen. The fact that I get to play him, and not just this, I feel मतलब वो एक cricket रॉयल्टी हैं ये सब. अगर इनके प्रति हमारी थोड़ी सी भी लॉयल्टी चलेगी कैरेक्टर बिल्डिंग में, तो हमारे लिए बहुत है ये.
Well said, young man. Most difficult thing? What's the most difficult mannerism of Mr. Kirmani to?
Dive.
कर ले यार, dive कर ले. कूद ही जा.
सर पहला तो मेरे को डर लगता था कहीं मैं बैंगन में ना मिला दूं ये सब. तो वो जो हैदराबादी दखनी एक्सेंट था वो था, बट देन द वे ही यूज्ड टू प्रिपेयर फॉर एवरी बॉल, आई जस्ट शो इट टू यू. It just, so it started off from a very normal here and there, and then goes 1, 2, going down, knees go down, and then as soon as the ball comes in, he just comes and then plays.
Lovely. Kiri sir, good enough. Are you going to give him pass marks for that?
Yes, I'll give him 95%.
Not bad. Good enough.
95.
That's pretty good.
But I didn't see him fall.
But you were the keeper of the tournament, and you took some spectacular catches. You just mentioned about a father-son play. Chirag Patil, this must be very special for you. There is only one and only Sandeep Patil, as anyone who's watched cricket in Mumbai will tell you. But you've got a similarity to your dad. What was the most difficult thing about playing your dad? I'll just give you the mic. Ballu sir, mic. Chirag, you want to tell us most difficult thing of playing Sandeep Patil?
I think the most difficult thing was, first of all, there were two things. First of all was his stance, because his shoulder used to be down. Secondly, what Ballu sir told me is चिराग पाटला का फील्ड पे जाने का वॉक अलग था और इवनिंग का अलग था.
Come on, Chirag, show the evening walk at least. Come on in.
Okay, this is.
तो जब वो फील्ड पे जाते थे तो शोल्डर ठीक थे, शाम को वो एक शोल्डर ऐसा. Nice.
Sir, if I can give Mr. Patil the mic. what is it about the evening that made you take this one step down? Sham ko kya hota tha?
Ballu has been coaching him, and Ballu is with me for years, from almost college days. So he has observed me very well. So I'm sure what he has told Chirag to enact. I think.
So everybody told us there's a Sandeep Patil before 6 p.m. and after 6 p.m.
Yeah, I think before 6 p.m. is more important than after 6 p.m.
Okay, we've got next to him Adinath Kothare. You play Dilip Vengsarkar.
Yes, sir.
And not easy. Mr. Vengsarkar also has a very unique style of his own. You want to tell us the uniqueness of Dilip Vengsarkar?
I think the elegance in his batting, the way he holds his bat, and he had a signature square cut in which Ballu sir, I think we took a lot of time to learn that, where he would sit and he would hit the ball, and that used to be, I think, the coolest shot,
yeah.
And nobody played it like him, and I think that was really difficult. I'm not a professional, we are not professional cricketers. I used to only play gully cricket. But learning that grip, and with that grip, these elegant shots, I think that the name Colonel has come, I think he really represents that word. Because that elegance, that aura he has is really amazing.
Dilip Vengsarkar is starting to blush, sir. Hey, you're starting to blush. Colonel, yeah, no, but he is the Colonel. We call him Colonel. Fantastic cricketer.
Absolutely. I think that elegance is the reason, and I think in his form, in his personality.
Okay, we've got a couple of more to go through. And we're going to try and go through as many of them in the night, and then come to Kabir to give us a final word. But I want to come on this side because we've got Kirti Azad. You want to tell us what it's like playing Kirti Azad? Playing Kirti Azad in the film is Dinkar Sharma.
Yes, sir.
You want to tell us, Kirti Azad, what is so different about Kirti Bhai?
That he is the most different. And he has to be the most different.
So एक dialogue बता दे.
मतलब सर को मैंने research किया. I met him and I asked him, sir, how should I trying to understand his psyche and everything. And he said, I asked him everything. So this match, that match, how did you feel? What was your preparation? He said, Dinkar, I used to work very hard. सुबह इंडिया गेट दौड़ता था और उसके बाद I used to chill. I'm a cool dude.
So he's also 6 p.m. There's one Kirti Azad before 6 p.m. and one after 6 p.m.
That he'll tell you.
It's true.
No, you have to take permission from my captain Sandeep first.
But I think the
evening captain.
The challenge was to get his confidence, like how confident he is. And he's just a chilled out person, in any situation, he's just very cool and confident and full of himself. Not full of himself like that, but just full of confidence.
नेता भी है.
नेता तो बाद में उस समय तो खेलते थे.
अब आप क्रिकेटर, नेता, अभिनेता. That's the transition. But on this side we've got another special. That World Cup final couldn't have been won without that spell of Madan Lal. Madan Lal is one of the most underrated cricketers in terms of his contribution to Indian cricket. Remarkable cricketer for Indian cricket. And young Sandhu, you're playing Madan Lal. मैं तेरी एक्शन देख रहा था एक फिल्म में. You got Madan Lal's action perfect. दिखा दे जरा.
सर उससे पहले मैं बताता हूँ आपको.
हाँ बता दे.
I'm so happy now. There are 3 people sitting here, and I used to play cricket and I was associated with 3 people. He was my under-17 coach at the NCA.
अच्छा.
Yes. And Dilip sir selected me for under-19 India. He was the selector at that time.
So you played under-19 India?
Yes.
Wow.
And I was playing Ranji Trophy match, Punjab versus Baroda, and Ballu sir was Baroda's coach at that time. So 3 people.
Wow.
Sitting here. So I'll do the action.
Yeah, why don't you do the action? Come on, go for it. Ranveer, you've got a real cricketer now, yeah? You've got a real cricketer.
I do my power hitting.
अच्छा, तुम power hitting कर ले. Come on, go for it.
First ऐसे जाता था.
हाँ.
Then he would first go like this, and then again.
Yeah.
Lovely. Superb. Okay, we just want to very quickly go Sunil Balsan, and that's the genius in a way of a film like this, that it's ensemble. So you've got everyone, including those who didn't play an actual match but were very much part of the team. And Badri must be very proud to be part of a film with such a fine man like Sunil Balsan.
Sir, absolutely. First of all, me standing here in itself, it's really overwhelming right now.
Badri.
It's.
I feel you, brother.
It's very overwhelming, and playing a character like a legend like Sunil Balsan sir is.
out of words है. क्या बताओगे आप? बताओ. मतलब I'm standing right here. But see this.
Pinch yourselves, boys.
Yeah, that's right. You know, there is someone there, Roger Binney, as quiet as ever. We don't have the star who played you, sir. But you want to tell us what it means to see all these years later yourself on your character being played on cinema, if I can give you that mic.
Yeah, of course. I'm looking forward, very much forward to it, because if you see that action on top there and that one, they're both very similar to what I did. Yeah. Even my players also say that. He's done a fantastic job.
In fact, I want to ask you, Madan Paji, how many marks are you giving the young man for your action?
Young man, Hardy, give him 10 out of 10.
Oh, yeah, lovely. पर आपने उसको दिखाया कि how did you get Viv Richards out? वो बॉल कैसे डाला?
मैंने बता दिया था उसको. I told him मेरा how I got him out. So, हाँ, तो इसने पिक्चर में भी एक आधा मैंने इसका देखा है सीन, एक जो रणवीर के साथ था. तो I think it was fantastic, you know, fantastic, you know, like when Ranveer says, बिल्कुल ऐसे लगता है कि कपिल देव भी बोल रहा है. और पीछे से एक सीन मेरे को अच्छा लगा जो कल मिलांगे.
मान सिंह साहब, all the trailers have you playing a very prominent role. Are you looking forward to the film? You're played by Pankaj Tripathi, so I'm told he's done a fantastic job.
Well, before I say anything, the figure 83 has a great significance and sentiment for me. Not only winning the World Cup that year, I celebrated my 83rd birthday last month.
Arey wow! Oh, that's fantastic.
So the figure 83 is very significant for me. And then seeing the trailer and the makeup which Pankaj ji had, my granddaughter asked me, "Is that you?"
Arey wow! You're looking 83 years young. You're looking 83 years young. Let me tell you that.
38 years, I think.
38. 38. You're looking 38. It's, you know, I have a couple of more here on this side. Dhairya Karwa, you're playing Ravi Shastri. I'm going to give you a mic. You're also 6 p.m. Post 6 p.m. A very different Ravi Shastri to pre 6 p.m.
Strictly focusing on the pre 6 p.m. All the hard work that he put in.
Okay, we'll ask Ravi whether it was pre 6 p.m.
Yes, of course. The biggest challenge was the bowling action because I'm a right arm bowler and he's a left arm bowler.
Wow.
And yeah, I'd like to because showcase the my action and
sure.
be
go for it
because the legends have witnessed that all their life. So I just want to see how close was I because I put in a lot of effort.
Yes, go for it.
He has made himself into an ambidextrous person. He changed his action. He's a righty, bowled lefty, just for the film.
Just for the film and trained for a year.
The young Turk of the squad, Ravi Shastri.
Very good.
Wow. Okay, we have one more special person. There's an empty chair there because one member of the 83 squad is no longer with us. We did a show with him 6 months ago. He left us a few months ago. Yashpal Sharma. Jatin, you're playing Yashpal. And it's a special thing, I'm sure, for all of them. I can see their eyes getting moist when we talk of Yashpal. What was it about Yashpal ji that was special for you to play?
Sir, everything was special about him. And I think I'm fortunate enough to play his character in the film. And I met him. There were very few things and very many things, similarities. Yes, the focus, the discipline. Yes, I think when you saw the film, you'll get to see it. I think I'm lucky enough to meet all of them, and now the person is not here, but
I think, Kabir, you know, we're putting all this together. Yes.
I think we must give a minute's silence for Yashpal, please, on the show. Can we do that?
Sure.
Yes,
it's your show. We can have a minute silence. Kabir, I want to end with you, Ranveer and Kapil, because the film is at the end of the day about this this magical event, and it will be defined by Kapil Dev and his entire team. But the idea of doing a cricket film, sports films are all too rare. But to come up with a film like this...
Well, honestly, Rajdeep, as a storyteller, I'm always looking for these magnificent human stories. And I've often said a sports film is never about the sports. It's about the triumph of the human spirit. And I think there's no greater story of triumph of the human spirit than what these gentlemen here achieved in 1983. And that's what I'm trying to do.
And what was the most difficult thing to do then? To put it all together?
To put it all together, of course, we've all heard stories about how the boys have put in the hard work. Some of them have trained for almost a year to replicate the actions and the demeanor and the accents of these fine gentlemen here. I just facilitated them to do that. I set up the systems. But for me, the most important and the most challenging part of making 83 is, will I be able to make the nation feel the way they did on 25th of June 1983? When they go into the theatres today, will grown-up men start crying all over again?
I want to say this. I was there on 25th of June 1983 at the ground. I don't know how, but I was there. And I ran on the ground with a tricolour. Kapil Paji, putting it all together, you've been in a sense an inspiration to put this film together. You've got tears in your eyes. What is so special about all of them coming together today?
I think character is the most important. If we pick up all 14 and Yash, I think everybody has a character. When you want to achieve something as big as that, सबका एक character होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. देखिए हम सब cricket खेलते हैं, लेकिन cricket के पीछे जो अपना individual character आता है ना, वो बहुत important होता है. And if I look back, I think everybody has a character in a sense where we can feel कि यार they are not pushover. I mean, you give them a lot of respect, not being yes man, but they're ready to die. And end of the day, they were all a brilliant character. You can make a movie on everybody. And that's what, as a captain, I would see that. I think it was wonderful. I was being captain, but I think I wasn't a half of the good or even quarter without a sport of senior. And I would say man. Wally. And Kabir and your team, hats off to you. You bring back our life.
You bring back our life. Has he done justice to you or not? Has Ranveer done justice to your role or not?
I think
there is only one Kapil.
No. It's just I'm as curious as anybody else. Just wait for another few days. I love to see that, and I rather comment then rather now.
Accent सही है कि नहीं?
Oh, बहुत ही बढ़िया. मेरा तो है ही. मेरा तो.
Ranveer, I'm going to give you the final word.
You see, we're both criers.
There's a lot of tears. I know people who've already seen the preview. They've come out saying they've cried about half a dozen times, which is probably even more during the film. But I want to give you the final word. As someone who's completely got absorbed into this role, what's been the most special thing of doing this film? Because you've done a lot of other roles. Is this for you something completely out of your comfort zone?
So here's one thing about that's common between him and me. We both break down pretty easily, huh? Let me tell you, sir, this has been one of my life's most special experiences. The journey that it's been to embody this character, to be a part of this team, helmed by this man. It's been extremely special. We always knew that these guys are icons, they're legends. What they achieved is their achievements were the most glorious chapters in not just our sporting history, but our nation's history. When people come up to you and tell you, it was before 83, we looked upon ourselves as a people in a certain way. And after 83, we got so much self-belief. We believed we are something and we can be something. We can do something. We can be the best in the world.
What a huge thing that is, sir. What a huge achievement to change the attitude and self-belief of a whole nation, of a whole people. And we knew this was a great big responsibility. You were telling the story of 83, one of the most glorious chapters in our history. And I know the film's coming out and there's all of this anticipation, the trade, you know, everybody's like, this is one of the biggest Hindi movies of all time, as it should be. As it should be. It's one of the greatest stories of all time. But for all of us, just to be a part of that process has been the most incredible thing. Like Badri said, just being in this room here today, I don't have any words.
And,
You know,
and if I might just say,
I'll just give you a mic. Yes, Mr.
I can see the emotion all round, and that's how we felt also at that time. And because Ranveer used the word history a couple of times, I would tell you about a former teammate of mine, not from this team, but from the Indian team, who wasn't very good at English. We used to call him Professor of English. His reaction to this win was, "Cha, Salah, first time in the history of geography, India has won this."
Well, trust Mr. Gavaskar to lighten up the mood at the end of it. But this is a very special group of people. You are all very privileged to have acted in this film because 83 means, particularly for my generation, a moment when we all grew up. And so thank you, Kapil Dev, the entire team. Thank you, Kabir. Thank you, Ranveer, and each and every one of you for recreating this magical moment in India's history. We just want to wish a very happy birthday to Krishnamachari Shrikant and to the team of 83.